You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this American bourbon whiskey. We're going to be looking at how to say more whiskey names that are very confusing, including Scotch and more, so stay tuned to learn more. Yeah, I know the spelling is a bit confusing. Bulleit is how it's actually said, so not bullet, bullet. Yeah, just essentially ignore the E to bullet. Bulleit bourbon, now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.